Drone. DJI AIR 2S. These hyperlapse videos always turn out so awesome. If you're thinking about getting a drone, I'd recommend looking at this drone and pick one up. It makes flying a drone easy and fun. When you buy one, make sure you register it and make sure you take the right test to get your license, so you don't run into issues when you go and try to fly it. Hiboy Pro Max. I've been driving this scooter to work for the last month and I'm so happy I invested my money. This thing saves me a lot of money every day in fuel, and it puts a smile on my face every time I jump on it to drive it anywhere. And with a 46-mile battery range, it's hard not to have fun on it. I recommend buying the scooter with a seat. It makes riding this a lot easier. Sorry for all the different camera shots and angles. I was just trying out the drone. I love all the preset options on this drone. It makes making videos a lot easier and quicker. See you later. Enjoy the view. Here's some pictures I took with my new drone. I hope you like them. Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my photos. What do you think of them? Comment below what you want to see next. I always think it's so cool seeing everything from a drone view. Check out this beautiful sky. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More great videos coming soon.